Today I'm going to talk about a new AI side hustle that actually works. It's 100% beginner friendly, it requires no tech skills, and absolutely $0 to get started. I have no course to sell you, no $9.97 webinar I'm going to push you to, because that is not how I make my money. But if you want access to a free step-by-step course, a free live bootcamp to get this entire business set up in the next 24 hours, plus a one-on-one kickoff call, all you got to do is smash the like button, drop a comment down below, and share this with a friend, and I will send you a private link so you can unlock all those freebies and bonuses. Okay, so now I'm actually gonna break down the AI affiliate business model. And what we're doing is we're gonna go after small local business owners. So this could be a local business in your area. It could be a restaurant, a lawyer, a chiropractor, any kind of local business. And we're gonna be sending these business owners to a marketing software, so an AI software, where all that we're doing is inviting them to start a free trial. And then once they actually become a paid customer, we get paid out a 40% recurring commission for life. Now, what's so powerful about this specific business model is the AI software platform is going to do all of the fulfillment, onboarding, and customer support for you. And so literally your only job is to reach out to these small local business owners and just invite them to create a free trial to the software where they can actually hop on a free onboarding call with the AI software company just for starting the trial. And so truly the goal here with this business model is to be selling software as a service as opposed to your time as a service. And this AI software company has already paid out over $80 million to their affiliates. And so now what I'm gonna do is show you the one simple AI service that you can offer to these small businesses when you're going through and talking to them for the first time. So the first step to this is I'm just gonna head over here to Google and I'm gonna type in electrician near me. And so this could be any kind of local business in any local area across the world. And so if I actually scroll down here, we're gonna get a list of all of the electricians. And so down here, I'm gonna click on more businesses. And what you're gonna notice is every single one of these listings right here has the phone number listed. And this is pretty much the most common way that a customer will reach out to a local business owner is finding their phone number, coming here to Google, and then giving that business a phone call. Well, there's an actual statistic that 62% of calls that go to small business owners are left unanswered. And so if I had a problem with my electricity, if my power went out and I went ahead and I called, let's just say Frank Gay Services, if they don't pick up the phone and I kind of have an emergency, I'm just gonna go down the list and call the next business. And I'm gonna continue to call the businesses until I actually get somebody who picks up the phone and can schedule an appointment with me as soon as possible. Now, this problem is especially painful for a business that we see up here at the top because these are sponsored listings, which means that they are actually paying to be at the top. And so if they're losing customers because of missed calls, that is basically money that they are throwing down the drain. And so now that you kind of understand the problem that we're going to be solving for the small business owners, I'm going to go ahead and give this AI voice agent a call so that you can see how it works in action and how it can actually book appointments for the small local business owner.
Hey, you have reached Emerald Plumbing. How can I help you today?
Yeah, we've got a leak in our bathroom. I was wondering if somebody could come take a look at that.
Got it. Let's get this sorted for you. Can I start by getting your name and the address where the service is needed?
Yeah, my name is Travis, and our address is 123 Main Street.
Thanks, Travis. So that's 123 Main Street, right? What kind of leak are you experiencing and when did it start? Also, would you say this is an emergency?
Yeah, if you could just get here as soon as possible. But it started coming out of the toilet and it happened early this morning.
Got it, Travis. Toilet leak can definitely be urgent. Let's get someone out to you as soon as we can. What's the best phone number to reach you at?
You can just reach me at this phone number.
All right, noted. When would it be a good time for us to come out? Would you like to book an appointment now?
Yeah, how soon do you have available?
Sure, let me check the earliest available slots for you. One moment. Here are the earliest available slots for today, November 7th, 11 a.m., 12:30 p.m., 1:30 p.m. Would any of these work for you?
Yeah, let's do 11 a.m.
All right, let's lock in 11 a.m. for you. To confirm the appointment, I'll need your email address so we can send you the details. Could you please provide that?
Yeah, it's just twardrop@gmail.com.
Thanks. Just to confirm, that's twardrobe@gmail.com, correct?
It's just a P at the end. There's no BE.
Got it. Thanks for clarifying. So it's twardrop@gmail.com, correct?
Yeah, that's right.
You're all set for today, November 7th at 11 a.m. We'll send the confirmation details to twardrop@gmail.com. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, that'd be all. Thank you.
You're very welcome, Travis. Thanks for reaching out to Emerald Plumbing. Have a great day, and we'll see you at 11 a.m.
Thanks. Now, what's so cool about what I just showed you right there is once you send a small business owner to the marketing software to create a free trial, they actually have a full team that can help the business owner get that AI voice agent set up in their business. And then if you want, obviously, you can hop on a call and see if they need anything after that initial setup. But the focus of this AI affiliate business model is to market the software, to market the product, to get businesses to come through, create a free trial. That way, once they do sign up, the burden isn't on your shoulders to actually fulfill, to continue to support that business owner, which is another reason why this business model is perfect, even if you are a complete beginner. So I hope you can see how literally every single small local business owner that does not have this, which is a majority of these small local businesses, they need this. They need AI so that they can make more money, so that they can save deals, and you can come in and save the day and help them. And for just $300 to $500 a month, you can go through and set this up. It's a one-time simple setup. It's not like you have to go through and do Facebook ad management. And like I said, if you guys just smash the like button, drop a comment down below, I will send you a private link to my free course to show you guys how to get started. I'll get you the extended 30-day free trial to that software. I'll show you how to get clients. I'll show you how to fulfill for clients. And I even have a lot of other free ways to go through and get clients, the scripts, the templates, the whole fulfillment process, how you can add other simple services on top of it. And so that is all jam-packed in there, 100% for free. And like I said, guys, I have no paid courses. I have no paid coaching program. I have no paid masterminds. And so that is not my hidden agenda. My hidden agenda, if you will, is I want you to sign up for the software through my affiliate link, because the cool thing is it will cost you $0 more to use my affiliate link, but it's going to give me a little bit of a kickback. And so then I can provide all this awesome value in training and courses and templates and coaching 100% for free, because I'm able to get a kickback from the software. Appreciate you watching. If you're brand new here, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.